This Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 12-inch non-stick surface. This makes cooking meals easier and cleanup a breeze. The pan is also PFOA-free. This gives you peace of mind while you cook. It is like a blank canvas for your culinary creations. The design of the Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan with lid is both practical and sleek. Its black finish looks good in any kitchen. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture. This ensures your food cooks evenly. The pan is also induction compatible. This makes it versatile for different stovetops. No matter the cooking surface, this skillet performs well. Cleaning the Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan with lid is simple. It is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after preparing meals. The non-stick surface means food slides off easily. This reduces the need for scrubbing. While it may not be a piece of luggage for adventures, it is a reliable tool for daily cooking. There should be no issue with sticking if used correctly. This pan can handle your everyday cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick, with lid 12-inch size, frying pan, cooking pan, non-stick skillet, induction pan. PFOA-free, ceramic pan, dishwasher safe, black color. Cons: durability concerns, non-stick degrades, scratches easily, not truly metal utensil safe. Handle may get hot, can be heavy, questionable longevity, potential for warping features. Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan, with lid 12-inch, non-stick, frying pans, cooking pan. Non-stick skillet, induction pan, PFOA-free. This Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan with a lid is a 12-inch non-stick frying and cooking pan. It's also a non-stick skillet and induction pan. The pan is made without PFOA and has a ceramic coating. It is black and safe to wash in the dishwasher. The Granitestone 4 Qt Saute Pan with lid is a 12-inch black non-stick frying and cooking pan. It is also a non-stick skillet and induction pan made with a PFOA-free ceramic coating. The pan is dishwasher safe and comes with a lid. However, some users have expressed concerns about its durability, noting that the non-stick coating may degrade. The pan scratches easily, and it might not be truly safe for metal utensils. Additionally, the handle could get hot. The pan can be heavy, and there are questions about its long-term use and potential for warping.